I don't know who needs to hear this, but it's okay to wash some clothes out on hand. Hell, I sit there and be like, oh, the washing machine ain't working. Or you ain't got no washing machine yet. Or, oh, I don't got enough money to go to the laundromat. Wash them goddamn clothes on your hands. Wash them clothes on your hands. That's all the hell I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? That like, just that hard it ain't. Just put your little soap. Look at that. Don't it just look fun to look at? Oh, you gotta love water. You're like, watch. I literally want you to see how many views this gets. Because people like the water that much. It's peaceful. It's peaceful. Be happy. Be happy. Wash some clothes. If you're sad and you got some dirty clothes and some laundry soap and a bathtub, wash that soap. Look at that. You're lying. You're lying if you're saying it's not fun to wash when you pour this in water. You're lying. Look at it. You're lying if you don't think it's fun. You're lying if you don't think it's fun. Cause I can't help myself satisfied. I really worship. So, literally, that carpet app. I don't give a damn. You can call me a roll of biscuits, and guess what? Everybody loves biscuits. Mine say you don't. Who doesn't love biscuits? Y'all, literally, sometimes I shouldn't be left alone with myself. These are the things that I do alone. These are the things that I do by myself. It's what I do when I'm all by myself. This is what I do when I'm all by myself. I had something. Wash your clothes and be responsible. So there was like an influx of like this soap. Y'all know. And everybody had got some. Hell, use it. Wash that baby clothes that he on his head, wash them.